Scientists today know mountains stabilize the Earth's crust.
But the Qur'an said it 1400 years ago.
And we placed within the earth firmly set mountains, lest it should shift with them.
Mountains act like pegs rooted deep into the ground.
They prevent the earth from shaking excessively.
No human in the desert could have known this geologic truth. The Quran revealed it long before geology became a science.
This isn't poetry. It's divine precision.
Truth from the Creator Subhanahu wa Ta'ala of the earth and what lies beneath it.